Jimmy, do you hear? Mariah Carey is defrosting soon.
Not the Mariah Carey.
Yeah, Mariah Carey is defrosting soon. Mariah Carey is defrosting soon. We're all gonna die. Wait, do you hear that outside? Wait, hold up! No! I thought you were a good friend. Oh!
Stay out with the demons.
Jimmy! Mariah Carey, no! Wait, where the hell did Jimmy go?
He's dead.
Yeah, dead as hell. Sucks to suck.
Yeah.
Okay, be quiet.
Why?
I heard something.
I didn't.
Dude, I hear the music. Go! Hide!
Okay, let me.
Oh my god. Get your beast body out of my hiding spot.
You're being too loud.
I don't care. You might do it so. Hey. Dude, what? Oh,
Real dead.
sorry. I don't see anything under the door. I hear music.
No! We're gonna die anyways.
No! Dude, why would you do that? Okay,
What? Who's gonna kill us?
hide!
Hey,
Stupid.
it's my phone. They're gonna kill us.
Oh, the door is open. I think she's gone. Get out of your hiding spot. Okay, now it's actually cold. What's this?
I think
Ice?
so, ice.
Ugh.